folks, this is Rob at Uftering Subaru. This video is going to show you how to pair your Android phone via the Bluetooth connection with your Subaru Crosstrek. First, start by pulling up the settings menu on your phone. Then you want to touch the phone button on the Crosstrek touchscreen. It'll ask if you want to add a device. Go ahead and hit the green yes button. Opening the Bluetooth menu on your phone, keep an eye out for Subaru Bluetooth. Once the two have found each other, press the Subaru Bluetooth label in the Bluetooth menu on your phone. The phone will display a PIN code. You want to confirm that the PIN code is the same on your phone as it is on the car. Hit OK here and hit confirm here. And typically, it'll ask you if you want to download your phone book contacts. If a permission pops up on your phone, just hit allow and proceed to the next screen.